Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to finance payments on Fanbasis. First, access your seller account to manage product settings. Then find the section labeled Payment Plans or Financing Options. Next, toggle the financing option on. You can offer in-house payment plans or third-party buy now, pay later services. Next, select between fixed installments, e.g. for payments, or custom plans based on the product price. Define down payments, monthly installment amounts, interest rates if any, and buyer requirements such as minimal credit score or purchase amount. When creating or editing a product, enable the financing option and link it to your customer terms. Ensure that financing is clearly displayed during the checkout process so customers can choose it easily. Then, use the dashboard to view who selected financing, their payment status, and any failed transactions. Fanbasis handles sending payments reminders and automatically processes your payouts as customers pay their installments. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.